Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're getting straight into how to use UPBASE for inventory control. It's the full 2025 guide you've been waiting for. First off, you need to log into your UPBASE account. The reason we do this is to access your inventory data and settings. If you don't have an account, sign up quickly. It's simple and free. Next up, navigate to the inventory section. This is where UPBASE keeps all the necessary tools for managing your inventory. It's designed to give you an overview of your stock levels, sales, and purchases. Now that we've done that, let's add a new product. Click on the Add Product button. This helps us because it allows you to input the details of a new item or product you want to track in your inventory. Make sure you fill in all the necessary fields: product name, SKU, price, and quantity. UPBASE uses this information to monitor your stock and alert you when it's time to restock. The next step is to set up your inventory alerts. Go to the Settings tab and select Inventory Alerts. By doing this, you're enabling UPBASE to notify you when a product is about to run out. You can also set the minimum quantity level that triggers this alert. It's a crucial step because it helps prevent understocking, ensuring you always have sufficient products for your customers. Lastly, make sure to update your inventory regularly. Whenever you make a sale or purchase, ensure you reflect these changes in UPBASE. This is important because it helps maintain the accuracy of your inventory records, which is key to effective inventory control. To wrap things up, using UPBASE for inventory control involves logging into your account, navigating to the inventory section, adding products, setting up inventory alerts, and regular updating. It's a simple, efficient tool that can significantly improve your inventory management. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.